Hippi Market.
We are in Morjim. Let me show you the place. We just arrived. It's 3 p.m. The market starts at 5. So we're setting up. Pappi, Chulo and Backwaters crew is already setting up all the chairs. It's such a nice place. We're on the riverside. So cozy, and I love this place. Yes. So welcome to Morjim Hippi Market. We're organizing this Flea night market every Wednesday from 5 to 10 p.m. We always have a full lineup of DJs, live music or both. Come check it out. There is a lot of stalls. People come here to sell their thing, sell their handcraft, their art. Also we have some massage, tarot reading, a lot of stalls. We're setting up. Ooh. Happy birthday!
You live only once.
Very good, thanks. I will make a little documentary about the market. Nice. The tarot reading corner. Wow. I'm good. Should we see the GoPro shade? Okay, that's fine. You're not too much on the sun. Then. Oh, it's so beautiful, my God.
Thank you.
You made them all yourself?
Yeah, all of them.
And your friend or boyfriend?
Oh, he's not here.
Sick.
Yeah, exactly. So he's not here this week.
Okay. No, I'm going to the beach of Morjim to give more flyers. I just put up like, I don't know, maybe 30 more A3 posters on the street between Morjim and Ashram. And now I'm gonna give the leftover of the 600 flyers we've printed to the beach people to get them to come to the market after the sunset. Morjim Beach, look at this incredible sunset. On the other side there is Chapora, then Vagator on Juna. Oh shit. Come to the market! I almost gave all the flyers and I hope a lot of people will come. I gave to this group, I hope they will come. We will see. Na 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 na.
I don't have a good picture. I don't know why you're taking my picture.
I mean, I talk about the camera because that's what I know. It's okay, it doesn't look dark.
Do you want a flash?
No, no.
By the way, you don't need a payment to today's payment.
Yes, I need. I love you.
We love you.
We love you too.
Yes.
Yeah, they all.
You're jamming with them.
Do is I wait for people like to first try the bamboo instrument. Okay, I can make you play this instrument. You just have to hold two fingers here, close your hands like this, and then put your lips here, make monkey lips.
I love you, you're good. Why?
Whenever one comes. but I wanna bitch slap the kind of somebody. I got social.